Today we will show you how to disassemble Land Rover HVAC compressor and repair it with our kit. This is the O-ring, vortex plate and moving ring, which is already placed in position. Wear resisting plate and gasket. Now let's disassemble. Use 8 socket to remove 6 screws on the upper cover. Remove the upper cover. If the upper cover is tight, you can lay the compressor down. Tap it a few times with a hammer. To remove the upper cover, remove the gasket. Remove the vortex plate. When doing that, please remember the position of the vortex plate is aligned. Then you can keep it aligned when reinstalling. Remove the vortex. Remove the bearings inside the vortex. Remove the old moving ring. Remove the gasket. Remove the wear-resistant plate. Now we've disassembled all of them. Then we'll check if there is any wear. On the coils and rotors inside, place a cloth on the area where we need to clamp with the strong pliers. Clamp tightly. You can hold it with your feet and then lift it up with some effort. Now the rotor has been pulled out. Let's check if there is any wear on the rotors and coils. No wear and tear. We'll wipe the oil off the coil clean. When we put it back, we need to align it with the original position. Be careful not to put it back directly with your hands. While reinstalling the rotor, we need to use a piece of cloth. Use strong pliers to clamp and put it back. Pay attention to aligning the position. So our rotor has been reinstalled. Always keep track of the whole position. We install our kit's wear-resistant plate. Pouring in lubricating oil. Install the bearing back. Installing our new vortex. Remember to align the position of the vortex opening and place it on top. Install the gasket. Pour some lubricating oil. Align the position as it previously was. Install the vortex disc. Remove the old O-ring. Install the new O-ring. Install our gaskets here. Pouring in lubricating oil. Close the upper cover. Reinstall the screws on the upper cover. The repair is done.